So there are people here on YouTube who customize cars, iPhones, iPads, and all this other stuff, and I thought to myself, how do we top that? How do we top that here? How do we outdo these people? So today we are custom painting a flower pot. Ooh, is he actually gonna do it? Yeah, that's right. Bam, right here, got it. Pretty sure it's clay or something. You can't make any calls on it and it won't drive you anywhere, but you can eat out of it or put a flower in. So let's custom paint this baby. Today we're trying these Ruffles barbecue flamin' hot flavored. Jumping on the flamin' hot trend, they got this super red packaging, red and blue. This feels a little bit American, but this is like super Canadian. I'm pretty sure barbecue flavor is like a Canadian thing. But let's try these bad boys. Ooh, smell pretty good, very ketchup-y. And maybe it's just because I had ketchup chips last time, so that might be it, but ooh, look at this. I don't know if the camera's gonna catch this. This is like super red. Super duper red. Let's try it. Oh, that is spicy. That has a bit of kick to it. I know why I forgot that these were spicy too. I didn't expect these to be spicy. Like I expected to be like, kind of have a small kick to it. This actually burns quite a bit. This is kind of like the Cheetos, like the Flamin' Hot Cheetos. Overall, I think the problem with these is that they're a little bit too much. The flavor is very strong and the crunch is a bit much. Like, this experience is like an overwhelming experience. I don't know if maybe if I eat the whole bag, I'll get used to it, but this feels like a little bit too much. So I give these about a 32 out of 50 schmookles. Now let's get back to our flower pot. It's finished! Look at it! Whoa! Whoa! Look, it's fini! It's perfect! Ah, amazing! Look at the colors! It's blue inside! Whoa! You didn't see that coming! Blue at the bottom! Whoa! Can you see my eye? Probably not, but finished painting, customized it. And let me know what you think. Is this good, bad, colors? No? You like? Do you like? Huh? If you like this painting, you like this video, make sure you go check out the website, link is in the description. And I'll see you guys in the next one.